Big welcome everyone to today's presentation. My name is Emil and I'm going to introduce you to a pre-launch which is happening right now. Now this is, I believe, the biggest pre-launch in the history of network marketing in combination with cryptocurrency. We had over 30,000 people pre-registered, and only in the first few days we had millions and millions and millions in turnover, and we're not yet fully launched. We're still in a pre-launch. So the timing for you being here is incredible. Now, over the course of this webinar, I'm going to show you what we're pre-launching in an overview for you to understand why this is right now the fastest growing company in the world of crypto with networking. And we're going to break it down why this is different from the 50,000 other companies that's been trying and failed. And this company has been around for 7 years in the market and continuously is expanding, growing, and creating bigger success. Yes, it's been ups. Yes, it's been downs. Yes, it's been challenges. But in the end, this is the only company in this industry who is here generating new momentum, have better and better technology, better and better products, and that is why we're here. Now, the exciting part here is that we're going to talk about how right now we are in the pre-launch of this new DeFi system. Already the company got a database of 2.8 million people, but right now we are now pre-registering only networkers to begin with. And what is happening is that we got 30,000 networkers in the system, and after the coming weeks it's going to open up for the 2.8 million people. So we are really off to an incredible launch here, and the positioning you can have right now is perfect. Now we're going to break down how this company finally, after so many years this industry has tried, have cracked the code of crypto with network. This is something that is very different from anything you've seen before, and you need to pay attention, because right now we're going to see potentially this being the first cryptocurrency in this industry reaching multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm not here to hype. I don't like hype. I want to break it down logically for you guys over the course of this call, so you understand the tokenomics and how that is possible with a decreasing supply and increasing demand. Now, we're also going to break down a 91% compensation plan at the end of this presentation, very briefly. But this is why this company has the highest paid networkers in the world. We got people in our teams right now that in the past 2 days have made more money than most people do over the course of 2 years. They're making yearly salaries in 2 days, per day right now in this company. And we've never, ever seen this kind of explosion in our careers. And we have been in the market for a long time. We can now say that this timing that is happening right now is incredible. We're having incredible times in terms of network marketing. The world is having challenges. There is inflation, economy is suffering, people are losing jobs. Everyone will be looking for alternative sources. And historically, network marketing is thriving through these times. We're also in perfect timing with the cryptocurrency market, which I will cover in a second here as well. And also the timing of being in this company before the launch is happening is even better. And we have been in the market here and in the industry for a long time. I am representing a leadership of DEN with my business partners, Danish and Navid. In combination, we had over 35 years of network marketing experience, and in the crypto market, over 30 years of experience. Now, over the course of these many years, we've have the turnover of over $300 million and over 300,000 people in our teams. We have been also operating as global ambassadors, master distributors, and has also created one of the biggest network marketing academies in the world, which is launching in a few weeks. So I can tell you one thing, with all these numbers, I'm not here about talk about myself, but I want to talk about that we have seen a lot. We have been behind the scenes of companies. We have launched our own network marketing company. We have seen what it takes. We understand the problems, the challenges, and the difficulties, and we can really recognize an opportunity by now. We are not the kind of people that runs after the short-term quick things. We're the ones that want to come in, build long-term, because we got a bull market coming. We don't have time. We need to make sure that we are building momentum right now. And with all our experience, we feel that all this experience and all those years has come down to this moment. And we're here at the right time, ladies and gentlemen. The launch is set to take off on the 1st of October, and this is a few weeks away. The first step of the launch happened 2 days ago, and we are now in the beginning of a massive pre-launch, which is taking place this month ahead of the launch happening on the 1st of October. We have an incredible roadmap ahead of us with a pre-launch now. We have a 90-day game plan launching after that. We have an event happening in November. We have another big event happening in April next year. So we had the perfect roadmap now to get started. Now, this is why it is so urgent for everyone on the call to take action right now. We are having a crypto bull market taking place next year and for the coming 2 years. This is, of course, according to history, and we have to make our own analysis. But if you're just looking back, every single time Bitcoin have had a halving, what happened next? We can see here the halving event, the red dot here, it was followed by an extreme expansion in the market. Same happened 2016. Halving happened, boom, market takes off. Same 2020, halving happened, boom, market takes off. And what are we expecting now? You can just look that in end of April next year, we're going to have the next crypto halving. And what will follow? We believe there's going to be another explosion in the crypto bull market. And this is something that is going to completely be bigger than anything we have ever seen before, ladies and gentlemen. So now is the time to make money. Now is the time to join a credible 7-year-old infrastructure in the crypto market. This is the time to join the strongest compensation plan in the industry, 91%, and the perfect timing of being here in a pre-launch. We don't need to worry that the company is going to be gone in 6 months. They are here for the coming 10 years. And they have incredible strategies and plans to build something strong. And this is why we are urgently inviting you guys to look at this, take action, build your wealth, and benefit from the crypto bull market. Timing is everything. Now, before I go in and talk about the company and the details, just a quick disclaimer. All the information shared here today by me is educational. I'm not a financial nor a legal advisor. You have to make your own decisions based on your own personal analysis, and we want to create an empowered community. So make sure you understand what you get yourself into, and also understand if you don't get in, what that can mean. But we have here a very solid foundation, ladies and gentlemen, in Ultima, a very innovative billion-dollar blockchain project founded 2016 in Switzerland. Over the past 7 years, this company has become the only one that has been over here in 7 years, getting stronger and better, with 2.8 million users in the database, over 12 strong blockchain-based projects with their own smart blockchain, which developed an incredible DeFi system that is coming now, and a global ecosystem. I'll cover it soon. There is incredible strength in this foundation. It is because of the company having over 1,000 employees. Some of the strongest crypto experts in the world is working alongside Alex Reinhardt, the founder here, to build an incredible company, a vision of building 100 million users and help everyone to become financially independent, utilizing cryptocurrency as a fundamental tool to get there. And this company has been able to build a lot. You know, if you look at other companies on the market, not to compare, but it's important to understand, because you all are going to choose now where to position yourself. All the new companies come with incredible risk. They need 7 years to build out this experience and this ecosystem that you see on the picture. This company is ready in the coming 6 months to launch their own crypto exchange, a centralized called ultimax.com, and a decentralized exchange. They have a copy trading mechanism launching. They have a cashback program, which has been running for the past year. They have a travel club with up to 90% savings, crowdfunding platform, freezing games and auction platform, marketplace, debit cards, and everything here is circulating around the Ultima token. Now, this Ultima token is right now trading on the exchange and is now pushing stronger and stronger. It has launched at $10,000. It is now at $10,500 and is growing daily. The company has a few sell walls to hold back the price, because otherwise it would already be well over 20, 30,000 right now. But it's held back because we want to onboard people in this pre-launch, get people in on a lower price before the explosion is taking place. So we're having millions of dollars being traded right now on the exchanges, and this is just the beginning. We're just in the pre-launch. Right now, networkers are being positioned. The big volume is gonna come in next month when the product is fully launched. So we are expecting this token to reach hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it's because of the strategy the company has of a hyper deflationary token. This is the first time we have a product in the market where the more people are joining, the less the supply becomes in the market. And with the company's delegated liquidity pool, we have some extremely powerful systems in place that is going to support the price of the token to go up and create a daily income for users in Ultima token. This is very powerful. I've never seen something like this. And when we break down the tokenomics here, it's going to be a maximum supply of 100,000 tokens, but only a few of these is going to be on the market. There's going to be a hyper deflationary scenario where only 50 Ultima tokens per day enters the market from the delegated liquidity pool. And that 50 Ultima tokens per day is going to decrease on a yearly basis in a halving event where the Ultima token is decreasing the supply to market every year by half. Meaning in February next year, we're going from 50 tokens every day to 25 tokens every day. And that is going to further decrease the supply. We also have another very interesting dynamic here where we have a 3% transaction fee for every Ultima transaction, which is continuously taking tokens off the market inside the liquidity pool and increasing, of course, the possibilities of a higher price with a lower supply. So this product now, the Ultima delegated liquidity pool, is where the company has cracked the code of network marketing in cryptocurrency. How many times have we seen companies launching cryptocurrencies as a network marketing company? How many times have we seen initial pump in the market and then there's oversupply, there's not enough demand, they can't create outside liquidity, and what happens? We just see that it fills out, momentum stops, and people are getting problems. This is a very different scenario because in those problems are created with an oversupply in the market. Here we have a fixed supply to the market, and that solves this problem. So this is how it works. I'm going to break it down. We have an Ultima delegate liquidity pool where most of the 100,000 Ultima tokens is locked up into a decentralized smart contract. On a daily basis, 50 Ultima tokens is entering the market, and these are distributed to individuals who is participating in the product that we're offering. This is how they can participate. They need to get the Ultima token and use the Ultima token to activate a split license. This gives you the access to then activate a split contract, which turns your Ultima tokens into a smart contract, sends them into the Ultima liquidity pool, and in return, you receive a split token. Now, because you are holding a split token in your wallet, you are now having the opportunity to earn on a daily basis from the 15 Ultima tokens every single day. So because of you holding the split token, it's been given access for you to earn every day for life from the 50 Ultima tokens released every single day. But these 50 Ultima tokens a day is going to be distributed equally to all the split tokens on the market. So as more people come in, there's of course going to be more and more split tokens on the market, which means more and more people will share the 50 Ultima tokens released from the liquidity pool every single day. So of course, you will think now that each person is getting less and less Ultima tokens on a daily basis, and you would be correct, but you're getting it at a higher and higher and higher price. Why? Because we're not only having a halving happening, which is going to decrease the supply on market, but we also have a dynamic here where the bigger community we have, the more people buy Ultima tokens, which they are using to buy the split contract and the split license, which makes a higher demand for the Ultima tokens. And with a higher demand, we of course have more tokens that is sent to the pool. And this is of course creating a scarcity in the market, because this liquidity pool is going to absorb all the tokens on the market. And what happens, we're going to have hyper deflation in the market, which creates an explosion in the Ultima token price. So you just can imagine, if you have a few months of momentum, how many Ultima tokens is going to be grabbed from the market and sent into the pool. There's going to be extreme low amounts of Ultima token on the market. While people are earning every day, they are earning at a higher and higher and higher price. This is the perfect momentum generator. People earn daily, but the price gets up and up and up and up and up, but we're decreasing the supply on the market. It's perfect dynamics. And this is why we see this being an incredible product, and why they have cracked the code of crypto with networking. And we as networkers, our job is very easy. We show people that when they purchase a split license, we receive commissions, and then they are able to activate split contracts to receive daily Ultima rewards every single day for life. This is not for a month or for a limited time, it is for life. And as you can see, this is something that anyone can do. We have extremely simplified back offices, easy automated tools for people. So this is something that is simple, it is fast, it is something that allows anyone to participate. Now, each license gives you a specific split limit. So if you buy the 110 euro license, you can only activate one split contract. Now, the license would cost 110 euro, and you would pay 110 euro for the activation of the contract. So in this example, you would have paid a total of 220 euro for the cost of your split. Now, this is, of course, for the smallest package. We have bigger packages where you receive more split limits for every package that you purchase. So as you can see on the basic and bigger, you're receiving a lower cost per split. You don't need to activate all your split contracts at once. You can activate them step by step. And this is basically how easy it is to get involved. We got packages all the way up to 550,000 euro. You can buy multiple packages, bigger or smaller, it doesn't matter, but each license gives you a bigger and bigger split limit, which allows you to activate more and more and more split contracts. But right now, we're running a very strong promotion where you're able to really get the most out of this, where on the basic, pro, and diamond package, we have 5 times more split limit, which means you pay much less per split. This is an opportunity, and this is going to decrease in the coming few days, and on a weekly basis it's going to decrease until the promotion is gone by the end of this month. So another few days you have to really secure the highest split limit, which will drastically decrease the cost per split that you are purchasing. And just to give you an example how this works, now your daily rewards are going to depend on 2 things. How many splits do you have? How many splits are in the market? And how much is the price of the token? So in this example, we're using the price of 10,000 euro per token. And imagine that you have bought the basic promo package, and which gives you 75 split limits, and you purchased all the splits. It would be a cost of 6,600 euro, and you would pay 88 euro per split. Of course, without promotion, you would have paid 147. This is much better. So if we're looking at 50 Ultima tokens per day released to the market, and let's say we have 1 million splits in the market for argument's sake, then each split would get 0.00005 Ultima per day. Now you have 75 splits, which means that over the coming first year, you are earning 1.35 Ultimas. And if you look at the current price of 10,000 euro, you would have doubled the money in the first year. Now, of course, the price continues to go up. And of course, you get more and more Ultima in the next years. This is just the first year. So let's say the price of Ultima is 10,000. Yeah, that was a more than double. If the price goes to 20,000, and keep in mind, we are about to get to 20,000 now, it would be 27,000. And I'm just not going to even talk about these numbers, but you can see what is possible when this price continues to rise, how bigger the profit potential becomes. And of course, this is speculation because none of us can predict the future of the price. But of course, this is depending on the demand, and the demand is going to come from a growing ecosystem, not only from the network growth, but with a growing ecosystem with real life utility, with exchange, decentralized exchange, debit cards, copy trading, cashback, travel club, marketplace. This company is going to generate outside liquidity, and this is what's going to make this grow and grow and grow. And we have some exciting times ahead of us. Few days ago, we launched the split license, so people can right now get the highest limit they can by getting a split license. On the 1st of October, people can start buying and activating the split contracts. That's when we have our first launch of this product fully. Then we have an Ultima token halving on the 1st of February, and then we have a Dubai company convention on the 13th of April. We also have a team convention, which is specifically for Dennis' team and the team that we are a part of, for our team and Dennis' team. This is a convention that's going to take place on the 4th of November. It is going to be a very powerful event. We're going to give away rewards. There's going to be cars given away. There's going to be training. There's going to be incredible energy. There's going to be a lot of fun with a yacht trip for the top 100 leaders. There's going to be a lot of fun, and there's going to be some big news on this convention on the 4th of November, and we are still waiting for confirmation on location and the final date. Then we have, of course, our Dubai event on the 13th of April. Well, everything will launch, as you see on the roadmap here, all from the upgraded debit cards. We're going to have our cold wallet, desktop wallet, auction platform. We're going to have our marketplace, travel platform, crowdfunding, decentralized exchange, NFT marketplace. Everything is ready to launch on the Dubai convention. So we have some exciting times ahead of us, guys. We're here at the right time in a pre-launch. Price has not yet exploded. It's going to come in the coming months. We're here to enter at the lowest price, at the best timing in a pre-launch, and this is why we are so excited. So with this, of course, we are really looking forward to some exciting times ahead of us. And for those who is just passively want to participate, make sure you join our Telegram group. This one you will find by, I'm going to send it in the end of this webinar. But before we end this webinar, I just want to say that right now, we are going to completely redefine cryptocurrency with network marketing. We have the strongest product in the market, 7-year experience. We have something that no one else has, have legal backing, financial strength, 1,000 employees, technical team that's delivering, a growing ecosystem. We have community that is big, and you're here in the pre-launch. We got a bull market ahead of us, and we have a 91% compensation plan. This is a very quick overview, but we do have a unit level that is 15 levels deep. We have a direct sale bonus of 20%. We got an additional leader bonus on level 2 to 5, paying out extra, and this is accumulated and released to you when you hit a diamond rank. Now, to reach diamond, you need to have 250,000 euro in lifetime combined sales throughout your organization, and it has to be in minimum 3 lines. When you hit any rank, you receive a one-time rank bonus, and when you reach diamond, you also activate a diamond infinity bonus. This one pays out an additional 15% on every single level, infinite levels down, and this is where the magic happens. When you hit diamond, ladies and gentlemen, your income is going to go through the roof. We had people calling us and crying after hitting diamond because they said, Emil, I can see my life completely changing. This is life-changing, and that's why your target should be to hit diamond as soon as possible. Just look at the percentages. Direct sale bonus goes from 20% to 35%. We'll see further down the levels, it goes all the way down to infinity, 15% extra. This is why this company has the highest paid networkers in the world. On top of this, it's important to know, to maintain your infinity bonus, you need to have a team turnover of 5,000 euro on your top 3 levels to be able to continue have this activated with, of course, the coming months ahead of us. Further to this is of course exciting, but we also have even more. We got a diamond pool where 10% of the world turnover is dedicated to pools which you can qualify for. The first pool is going to be unlocked in 90 days. So if you're able to reach 1 million euro of qualified volume in the first 90 days, you are having one part of this pool. That could be a huge amount of money being released to the people that achieve these pools. Further to that, we have a lifestyle bonus. This lifestyle bonus is giving you further gift cards when you hit different diamond ranks. You can receive cars, you can receive houses, yachts, private jets, even apartments, Rolls-Royce, Lamborghinis, whatever it is that you want, you can get it. And this is going to be really exciting for people to target in not only diamond rank, but all these ranks. Diamond is a life-changing rank. You get your activation of the diamond infinity bonus. You release your leader bonus. You also get your 3,000 euro rank bonus. You get 10,000 euro in lifestyle bonus and much more. On top of this, ladies and gentlemen, as you see on this picture, we have more bonus, the winner bonus, the diamond winner bonus. And these bonuses is only shared to the individuals who comes in and takes massive action. This is a very powerful bonus, which is secretly shared to the top networkers that want to take action. But this is a support system that allows you to grow your team very fast. And this will only be shared in, of course, the calls when you have dedicated yourself and you're ready to run. But just understand this, very important, guys, to be building your top 3 levels. This is where the magic happens. You want to build wide, you want to build in the top 3 levels because you have the highest percentage. It's needed to activate your infinity bonus and also to come into the pool bonuses. It's very important, guys, to have this kind of structure where you're building wide and keeping your volume close to your account, because that is going to give you the strongest income. Now, to be active to earn commissions, you are automatically active as you sign up, so you don't need a package to be able to earn commissions to begin with. But every 30 days, you need to have minimum a sale, direct sale from a new customer or a direct purchase by yourself of the minimum 110 euro package. This is something that networkers can do very easily. One sale every 30 days, I believe we can achieve, and then you're active for another 30 days. Now, the vision of this company is now to decentralize the whole product. In 2025, we're decentralizing the whole network marketing structure, and that's why the company is very strict right now that you do not create any fake placeholder accounts. They have a big compliance team that when you hit Ruby, there's going to be a full check on your organization. If there is any issue seen where you created placeholders or you put an account and you build everything underneath and there's no building on one of the accounts, then that will be removed, because it's very clear to see that that was just added to cheat the system. So no fake account, no cheating. And of course, you need to be fully KYC'd for you to achieve diamond, and you cannot join other crypto networks, because this company want to build a strong foundation of leaders before we're decentralizing the whole system. So with this said, ladies and gentlemen, we have the 1st of October where we are going to have the big launch of the product, the full-fledged product, the contracts. And then on the 10th of September, we are also launching a 90-day game plan. So in the coming 7 days, next week from now, we are launching a 90-day game plan, which is going to be explosive with daily presentations, incredible training, and you're going to get all the information over this coming week. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the perfect time to get involved. We got a bull market coming. We got a pre-launch in a 7-year-old company. We don't need to worry about the challenges other companies had. We have a product that really creates momentum in the price. We have the strongest compensation plan. We have the strongest leadership that is going to be driving this success to a completely new level. And with all of this, I believe we have some incredible times ahead of us. So with that, guys, make sure you join our Telegram group. And for those being here live, I'm going to do a quick Q&A. But and I'm also going to share the Telegram link inside our chat. And if you're listening to this recording on YouTube, in the description, you can also find the link to our Telegram group to get all the information, details, and notifications for the coming calls. So with that said, go back to the person who invited you, get the details you need to get started. And we're off to the biggest launch in the history of this industry. So it's time to get ready right now and get involved. With that said, we love you all, and we'll now open up for some questions for the people being here live.